Vurbo's floating subtitles offer a real-time, flexible, and intuitive display, making them ideal for various use cases while enhancing readability and the overall user experience. Click Start Transcription, then select the original language and the target translation language you want to use. In translation mode, you can select Full Sentence Translation. The system translates after a full sentence is spoken. Instant Translation translates words in real time as they are spoken. If you need real-time subtitles for a live event, we recommend selecting Instant Translation to ensure subtitles appear without delay. The default microphone setting captures computer audio. You can also connect an external microphone, and the system will automatically detect the audio source. Choose the audio device that best suits your needs. 1. Click Advanced Settings. 2. Adjust segment speed based on the speaker's pace to ensure optimal segmentation and accuracy. 3. Enable the floating subtitle toggle. 4. Click Start Transcription to display the floating subtitle window. 5. You can freely drag and position the floating subtitles, or even extend them to another screen for a full-screen display. When using PowerPoint or Canvas, make sure not to enter full-screen mode before playing the presentation. Keep the window minimized, then start playing the content. The floating subtitle window will overlay the file and can be pinned to ensure subtitles remain visible. Click the Settings button and choose how subtitles should be displayed. Original text only. Translated text only. Original plus translated text, displayed top, bottom, or side by side. You can also adjust the font size, color, and transparency of the floating subtitle window for the best viewing experience. If you're using dual monitors, you can use the main screen's control panel to dynamically manage the layout and content of the display screen. Once set up, you're ready to enjoy seamless real-time translation and subtitles.